Welcome to this video. I hope you're doing well. This video will really help you if you're looking to build Clickbank sites or any niche site that's ranking via SEO. Got a really good one for you here today, and it will tell you how to write keyword content. But here's the thing, I'm going to show you how to write keyword content so it actually ranks. I know that sounds obvious, but you need to be able to write keyword content that will actually rank, and this will directly correlate for those of you that know about the Google title tag update. If you've been worrying about things that change, this will really help you. And what I hope to do in this video straight away is give you a concept that will really help you to rank and goes directly in the face of a lot of the way of writing content that you might have heard ranking niche sites. Before I get into it, do check out the link below, because if you're interested in this stuff, you will love the Clickbank mega site training course. It's below. It's got 50% off for a limited time. And in a nutshell, we go far more into depth. How to pick niches, how to pick keywords, how to pick niches from the Clickbank marketplace, the best sort of niches, the best payouts, step by step, keyword selection, a lot into that, checking competition, and way more into writing the content, which is a big part of it, and other affiliate programs and a plan of action. So do check that out, do get yourself in there. If you enjoy this video, I've no doubt that you will enjoy that. It comes with a guarantee, and you'll be able to go through all the content straight away and start doing this stuff. Do check out the video as well. I'll put the video in the link below in the description, and it will really help you. Okay, so let's get on with this video. Writing content. I'm going to give you a few key concepts. Let me start by giving you maximum value straight away. Number one, this is the best bit of advice I can give you. The thing that will rank you on Google, and we'll have a look at this, and I've got an example article to show you. The thing that will rank you is not just mentioning a keyword thousands of times in your content. I know that you probably already know this, but still I see ever so many people writing their content and trying to please Google or trying to get ranked. I'll pick out an example niche. It's actually a site that I'm building for a client. And I'll show you it, and I'll show you what I mean. But the main thing, any product that you pick, when you get down to writing keyword content, let's show you an example here. Okay, so this was a niche I actually spoke about a few weeks ago here on YouTube, and I'm actually building a site for a client in this niche. Toenail fungus, so it doesn't not the nicest niche, but doesn't matter on the niche. Niche selection's a different thing. When we get down to writing content, the first thing is you need to obviously know what people are searching for, okay? And the key distinction I want to give you in this video is this. You can see all the phrases that come in, okay? Home remedy, early stages, how to treat, what does it look like, different tea tree oil, toenail fungus remedies, vinegar, cream, and so on, okay? But here's the thing, you don't want to just write an article. If I want to rank for toenail fungus home remedies, I don't want to write an article and have it like, in this article, we are going to talk about toenail fungus home remedies. There are lots of toenail fungus home remedies, and if you're looking for a toenail fungus home remedy, you need to make sure that you get a good toenail fungus home remedy, and so on. You know what I mean? So I've mentioned that keyword as like, it sounds crazy. Here's the key thing, the best piece of advice I can give you, it's worth writing down. If you wanted to rank for that term, number one, make sure that you've got more than one page of content on your site, okay? So you need to have a whole range of keywords covering every single problem and all interlinking, not every single one, but a really good structure of the site. If it makes sense to interlink it, okay? And you need to have that. You're never going to rank just off one piece of content. But assuming you're going to do that, the way you give yourself the best chance of ranking for that is by providing really good information. Instead of mentioning that keyword 2,000 times in a 500-word article, what you would do is actually provide the best home remedies for toenail fungus. I know it sounds really logic, but that is how you would, if you had a guide and it was like, we're going to tell you about the best toenail fungus home remedies, and you had a list of ingredients, and remedy 1, natural home remedies, remedy 1, and you had the list, and you had how to do it and how to mix it or whatever it was, and then remedy number 2, and then remedy number 3, and then remedy number 4, and then links to more information, and then links to different types, and then links what to do next, and links to symptoms. That is what will rank you. Okay, I'll just show you a quick example of an article. So I'll show you how to approach this. Okay, so here's an example: toenail fungus symptoms. How can you tell, and what can you do about it? Again, with that example that I've just given, it doesn't have to be really excellent, okay? But what I'm on about is you just don't have to mention toenail fungus symptoms 2 million times. I'm actually helping them. This post will give you some information on toenail fungus and how to tell whether you are suffering from the condition and what you can do about it. And then the first thing, and then talking about it, and here's some of the symptoms. Okay, but I haven't mentioned that keyword. I've just mentioned the symptoms. In short, the best piece of advice I can give you to rank and really do well is write how you're talking to people. Okay, I don't mean grammatically, so make sure that you run it through spell check and grammatical errors. But when you're giving information, if you genuinely could give information on something to someone to help them, you wouldn't mention a keyword 1,000 times to them. Gone are the days of writing for Google. The more you write for people to genuinely help, the more people read your content, and the more information that it gives, and the more unique information it gives ideally, the better you will rank. So I just wanted to do a quick video. You can see here we talk about the causes, and then some of the main risk factors, and then some of the complications, and then something that you can do for treatment and the different treatments, and then the conclusion, and it can go on further than that. But the main thing I wanted to show you, this is quite a short article, but the main thing I wanted to show you is just by writing real content, okay? And that's how you do it. So if you have been struggling along thinking, why am I not ranking? It is probably because your content's very thin in terms of it doesn't tell them anything, or it's just sort of a keyword repeated a lot, or you'll normally find that there's no info there that they can't get anywhere else. Okay, so you want to try and make it really specific to them and cover a lot of other areas. Another thing that you want to do, whatever keyword that you're trying to rank for, you also want to take a look at the related searches, LSI key phrases, and where possible include them in your content, because if Google finds toenail fungus and it finds that it's relevant to that, okay, and these are the terms that are relevant to that main term, and you have a full article that covers every term, you're going to rank. I dare say another thing that you can do is, if you had, picture this scenario, okay, let's say you had a 5,000 word article for each keyword, so it would take a lot longer to write. But if you had a 5,000 word article and it covered every possible scenario around that keyword, then that's what will cause you to rank. I'll just give you an example here. Toenail fungus, 15 million results, okay, but look at what's ranking. And this is the thing as well, it might be with the Google title tag update, but you can see here ranking, this is a huge health site, but you can see nail fungus, it doesn't say toenail fungus exactly. And then what are the best toenail fungus treatments, because Google tells you what it's putting at the top. Toenail fungus, pictures of what it looks like. Fungal nail infections, 10 home remedies, there we go. So you know, when I was talking about just then about doing home remedies, you can see a few articles, 16 home remedies. A few articles are ranking for the home remedies. So you type in toenail fungus and home remedies are one of the top things that come up. That's how you construct your content as well. See what's actually ranking, see how the content's constructed as it is now on Google. Google will tell you what it deems relevant, and follow suit with your own content while making it unique and giving them something that they can't get anywhere else. So I hope that's given you some tips, some golden nuggets of information, and if you want to join us and get a step-by-step, do check out the link below. When you get in, we go far more into how to write content and all of that stuff, so you won't be left in the dark, a complete walkthrough, and we'll also go through step-by-step, you know, how to build the site, WordPress, niche selection, and also keyword selection, so you can get going with this and start building a site. Get in while the discount's on, and I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching, guys.